What's up, y'all? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That is me. Yeah, that is me. Let's make something good right quick. Y'all know I love my desserts. Let's make a lemon blueberry cheesecake from scratch, of course. So let's get the ingredients together and let's go do the damn thing. All right, y'all. All right, let's make our crust for our lemon blueberry cheesecake. Two of these pack of crackers here should be about 2.5 cups of crumbs when you crush them up. So in my bowl right here, I have 2.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, which is 2 package, 18 crackers. Right here, I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, mix that together. And in my measuring cup here, I have 10 tablespoons of melted butter, which is a stick of butter and 2 tablespoons, which is 2 of those lines. So, got that sugar mixed in the crumbs. Now, let's pour the melted butter over. Like that. Like the little boy used to say, it's still warm. Okay, now let's mix this all together. All right, here go my 9-inch spring pan. I have some parchment paper at the bottom of it. Okay, gonna take me some non-stick spray and spray the sides. Spray my hand, I'll do the sides like that. Okay. Let's add our wet graham cracker crumbs to it. And we're about to form a crust at the bottom and the side. I got my oven set at 325 degrees. All those crumbs up in there. Make your own graham cracker crust. Okay, where I'm at? Right here. All right, so let me do this right quick. All right, get your glass and go like this. Try to get everything flat and even at the bottom, like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hands, I'm just gonna go to the side right here and go up, build the crust up. And I'll show y'all when I'm finished. All right, there go my crust. I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. I only went halfway up on the sides. So let's put it in the oven for 10 minutes on 325. Let's get our cream cheese filling together. Right here, I have 3 blocks of cream cheese, which is approximately 3 cups, about 24 ounces. In there, I'm putting 1 cup of granulated sugar. See, can I remember this, y'all? And putting in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay. I might have a brain freeze after a while because I be trying to remember stuff from memory or how to do stuff. So let's mix this together to get good and creamy. Oh, I'm sorry. Mix it on slow so you won't get too much air in this, y'all. We don't want too much air in our cheesecake. Let's mix it on slow. Okay, we got that all smooth and creamy. Let's add in 2 tablespoons of lemon zest from your lemon. All right. Let's add in 3/4 cups of sour cream. You want the full fat sour cream. You don't want light. You want everything fat. Okay, that's sour cream. And you're gonna add in 6 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, put in 6 tablespoons. That's 1. All right, let's mix for about 1 minute. We're gonna mix this for 1 minute. And that's it. All right, next we gotta add some eggs. So this is 3 large eggs. Put those in there. Let's mix those 3 eggs in. And I'm gonna add in 2 extra egg yolks to make this a little richer. Okay, mix in those 2 egg yolks. Lastly, there go our batter. See how nice that is? Now, let's add 2 cups of blueberries. And I'm just gonna stir them in gently. I'm ready to pour this in our crust. All right, be right back. All right, there go our crust. Let's pour it in here. Okay, you also want to wrap your pan up all the way to the middle with foil paper, because we're going to put this in a we're going to cook this in a water bath. Okay, let me get my pan with some water in it. To show y'all right quick, I forgot this step. So you see, I got my pan in there with water. Have it center ways your cheesecake pan, and let that go in there. And the oven's set at 300 degrees, and we're gonna let that go for 1 hour and 15 minutes. All right, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. I got my phone in my hand to show y'all. Ooh, that steam just hit me from that pan. Okay, there go our cheesecake. Y'all see that? Let me show y'all can see it. See it? Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the oven off, and we're going to crack the oven open for 30 minutes. That way our cheesecake won't crack on top. Okay? Okay, I just took it out of the oven. Y'all see there? So I'm going to let it cool on this cooling rack for about 1 hour. Then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 5 to 6 hours. Then we're going to cut it. Okay, let's go to lemon blueberry cheesecake made by yours truly, the blind bearded chef. All right, can't wait to taste this thing. All right, it's been chilling for 6 hours. Let's undo this here. Okay. Unlatch it. I think it's just one latch. Yeah, one latch. And let's lift up. Come on, lift up. All right. There we go, y'all. There go our cheesecake. It looks yummy. I hope it looks yummy. See that? All right. Now let me get a something to place this on. Look, y'all. Look at this yummy, delicious lemon blueberry cheesecake. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Let's taste it. Oh my God, I know it tastes good. I got this little dessert fork. This is too wonderful. Wow. I'm eating my dessert now when I shouldn't be. I got some chicken cordon bleu in the oven. Well, if you want to taste this pie, go make you some or pay me and I'll make you one. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.